welcome to yet another brand new video of my cricket dreams. So in this video I plan to say very important news regarding BCCI. BCCI to announce India's T20 ODI and Test squads for tour of Australia. Rohit Sharma left out due to an injury and Varun Chakravarti gets his maiden call-up in national team. The BCCI has announced the Indian squads for the upcoming tour of Australia. The team's first international outing since the COVID-19 lockdown forced the home series against South Africa to be called off midway in March. According to the BCCI release, the selection committee met via video conference on Monday to pick the respective format squads. India is playing 3 T20s, 3 ODIs and 4 Test matches against Australia. One of the most big omissions from all 3 squads is none other than the hitman Rohit Sharma, who is currently sitting out of Mumbai Indians games due to an hamstring injury. The BCCI said that they are continuing to monitor his and Ishant Sharma's progress as well. In Rohit Sharma's absence, KL Rahul, the informed Kings Punjab skipper KL Rahul has been named the vice captain for India's ODI and T20 squads. In fact, he has also been picked as the wicketkeeper in 2 formats, meaning Rishabh Pant is only part of India's Test squad. Sanju Samson, based on his performances for Rajasthan Royals, has been picked as the wicketkeeper in the T20 team as well. A new name to enter the dressing room on this tour will be none other than the KKR's newly mystery spinner Varun Chakravarti, who picked up 5 for 20 in their last outing. He has picked a total of 12 wickets for them this season as well. The selectors picked a total of 28 players for the 3 squads, out of which 7 find players in all 3 squads. They are Virat Kohli, who was named captain across formats, Mayank Agarwal, KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami and Navdeep Saini. Apart from the squads, 4 additional bowlers have been named to travel with the contingent as well. They are the bright Indian pace bowlers Kamlesh Nagakothi, Karthik Tyagi, Ishan Porel and T. Natarajan. So now we can see the T20 squad of India tour of Australia and also their perfect 11 as well. So first we can look at the T20 squad of India's. It is Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan, Mayank Agarwal, KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer, Manish Pandey, Hardik Pandya, Sanju Samson, Ravindra Jadeja, Washington Sundar, Yuzvendra Chahal, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Navdeep Saini, Deepak Chahar and Varun Chakravarti. So the perfect 11 that I have picked by seeing this squad is Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul will open the innings, whereas Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer will be at number 3 and number 4 respectively. Number 5 it will be either Manish Pandey or Sanju Samson. Number 6 it would be Ravindra Jadeja. Number 7 Hardik Pandya. Number 8 Washington Sundar. The reason why I added Washington Sundar is that it can add the batting depth in the team as well, and also can be a extra spin option, and also bowls very economically in the power play overs as well. At number 9 I go with Mohammad Shami. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah and number 11 Yuzvendra Chahal. So guys, this is the T20 team that I have selected. Some notable names that are not there in this 11 is Navdeep Saini, Deepak Chahar and Varun Chakravarti and Mayank Agarwal as well. So now we can look at India tour of Australia ODI squad. Looking at the ODI squad, there are some changes as Virat Kohli will be the captain as usual. Shikhar Dhawan will be there. Shubman Gill will be the new income. KL Rahul will be the vice captain and wicketkeeper. Just I said it before in this video. Shreyas Iyer, Manish Pandey will be there. Hardik Pandya will be there. Mayank Agarwal will be there. Ravindra Jadeja, Yuzvendra Chahal, Kuldeep Yadav will be there in the ODI squad. Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Navdeep Saini and Shardul Thakur. So guys, just as I said it before, this is the ODI squad of India tour of Australia. So now we can just see the 11 that I have preferred for their opening match. It is Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, Manish Pandey, Ravindra Jadeja, Hardik Pandya, Navdeep Saini, Bumrah, Shami and Chahal. So I think so this 11 is quite good because you have two set openers who are looking in fine form, Shikhar Dhawan, KL Rahul, and in the middle order you have the king itself, Virat Kohli. Number 4, informed Shreyas Iyer. Number 5, Manish Pandey, who is looking in a good touch for a SRH. Number 6, Ravindra Jadeja, who can be a valuable spin bowler as well as a great fielder for India. Number 7, Hardik Pandya, who scored 60 runs of just 21 balls in Mumbai in his previous outing. And number 8, Navdeep Saini, number 9, Bumrah, number 10, Shami, and number 11, Yuzvendra Chahal. So if you're looking at me, I think so this 11 is quite good concerning in the ODI team. Some notable names that have not been in this 11 is Shubman Gill, who have been in good form in KKR. Then Shardul Thakur and Kuldeep Yadav and Mayank Agarwal as well. So now we can look at India Tour of Australia Test squad. Concerning about the test team, there are many changes concerning. Virat Kohli will be the captain as usual. Mayank Agarwal, Prithvi Shaw will be there. Virat also will be there. KL Rahul will be there. Cheteshwar Pujara will be there. Ajinkya Rahane will be the vice captain this time. Hanuman Vihari is there. Shubman Gill is there, Wriddhiman Saha is there, Rishabh Pant is there in the test squad, Jasprit Bumrah is there, Mohammad Shami is there, Umesh Yadav is there, Navdeep Saini is there, Kuldeep Yadav is there, Ravindra Jadeja is there, and Ravichandran Ashwin, and Mohammad Siraj as well gets his maiden test team call up as well. So now guys, this is my preferred 11 for the test team of India. In that I am taking KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal as the openers because KL Rahul has been in terrific form and he actually deserves to be there in all the three formats of the game for India, and also as an opener because KL Rahul is a consistent opener and followed by his usual Kings 11 Punjab opener Mayank Agarwal. So I think so it will be a very good opening pair as well. Virat Kohli will be a number 3, Cheteshwar Pujara at number 4 and Rahane at number 5. It will give the much needed experience in the team. Virat Kohli, Cheteshwar Pujara and Rahane can make partnerships and just rescue a team out of any stages. Number 6, I am going to take Wriddhiman Saha over Rishabh Pant. As Saha you see is a superman because he can just catch one-handed out of nowhere, and is also a pretty valuable batsman as well, can score some cameos as well in up run. So at number 7 I go with Jadeja, number 8 Ravichandran Ashwin, so it will add a batting depth in the team. Number 9 Mohammad Shami, number 10 Jasprit Bumrah, and number 11 Kuldeep Yadav. So the schedule of the tour is so guys, this is the ODI team as well as this, just as you heard, this is the 11 that I am preferring for India in the first test against Australia. Now we can just talk about a paragraph about the schedule. Concerning the schedule of the tour is yet to be officially announced by Cricket Australia. Through Sydney and Canberra are expected to host the T20 and ODI series. The Test series is likely to be played across venues with Brisbane, Adelaide, Melbourne and Sydney, the front runners to host the 4-match series. So thank you friends for watching my channel. Kindly like, subscribe and comment, and for more such notifications of the World Cricket, kindly subscribe channel, and also kindly like, share and also comment the video so that you can get more of such news of World Cricket. So thank you.